Hello everyone, welcome to Ivy Coco's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make muffins. It is quick and very easy. However, you will need several ingredients. So let's get started. You will need dark chocolate chips, 4 spoons, cocoa powder, 2 spoons, brown sugar, 2 spoons, granulated sugar, 2 spoons, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of butter, flour, 1.5 cups of flour, 3 eggs. To begin with, you have to beat the egg for like 10 minutes for the muffin to be fluffy and soft. It's extremely important that you beat the egg, because if you don't, you will have a very hard muffins and you don't want that to happen. We don't want the muffins to be hard as a rock, so this is really important. Keep beating the eggs. Beat until it comes out this creamy. You can see it's really creamy and nice. Put it aside. Add the dark chocolate chips to the butter and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds for it to melt. Mix the mixture constantly. Mix. Keep on mixing it until it is well incorporated. And put it aside. Let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Add the flour into the bowl. Add cocoa powder. Add brown sugar, granulated sugar. Mix, constantly mix it all up together. Keep mixing. Once you have done that, it's time to add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Add the milk and mix. Add the mixture and mix everything together. Mix all the ingredients together. Mix, keep mixing. Don't mix the flour too much. Add the egg mixture to it and mix. Before putting the mixture in the cupcake pan, add more dark chocolate chips to it. This will make the muffins to have that dark chocolate color. Make sure you preheat your oven before putting the cupcake in the oven for at least 30 minutes. Once we have done that, put the mixture in the cupcake pan. Muffins is ready to go into the oven and bake for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Once you think the cake is ready, bring it out of the oven. This is the outcome. It tastes really yummy. It's time to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.